How to fix iMessage and FaceTime waiting for activation errors. Jump into the steps. First step is you want to scroll upward or downward to see the screen. After you enter to the screen, you want to turn on flight mode and you want to turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. After doing that, you want to close your phone and turn it back on again. Now enter your password and then turn on your phone. After your phone is unlocked, you want to scroll upward or downward to see the screen again. Now here, turn off airplane mode and turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both. This might help you solve the problem. If not, open the settings on your phone, tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your password and then tap on Done and then reset your iPhone. After that, go back to the home screen of the settings, scroll down to the bottom again, and then tap on Messages. Make sure you have disabled iMessages here. Then after you do that, you want to go back to the settings again. Then you want to tap on FaceTime. Also here you want to disable FaceTime. After some time, you want to go back to the settings and turn on iMessages and FaceTime all over again. This might help you solve the problem. If not, you want to go back to the home screen of the settings and then tap on your Apple ID. You want to scroll down and then you want to tap on Sign Out. If you want to back up, you want to turn this on and you want to tap on Sign Out. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.